This morning I installed the Doggie Dooley 3000. I should have did a video of it installing it, but it's pretty simple. You just dig a hole, set it down into the ground, and I did do something different. I took some corrugated plastic, 8-inch corrugated plastic, and I set that down in the ground first, about 2 feet length of it, and I drilled some holes around the side of it, and to help with drainage and stuff, So anyway, the Doggie Dooley, pretty simple. I've already put in about 3 days worth of poop already in there about 2 hours ago, and it's already working. See it bubbling and stuff. But here it is, the Doggie Dooley 3000. You step on the lid, you see the bubbles. It's got a tube right here. So they say you put about 5 gallons of water in here, which it held 5 gallons of water, and then it started overspilling. And I started putting the dog poo in there. I put 2 tablets in there, the enzyme tablets, and like I said, that was about 2 hours ago, and it seems like it's working pretty good. We'll see. Like I said, I had put 3 days worth of dog poo in there from this little monster right here. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video.